Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the OWC Aura Pro X2 SSD upgrade solution for the late 2013 Mac Pro. If you're still rocking this iconic machine, you know that storage speed can be a bottleneck. OWC promises to breathe new life into it with this NVMe PCIe Gen 3.1 X4 SSD. This isn't just a bare drive, it's a complete kit. Inside the box, you get the Aura Pro X2 SSD itself, a toolkit for installation, a custom-designed heatsink, and something really cool, an Envoy Pro enclosure. The enclosure lets you repurpose your original Mac Pro SSD as an external drive, which is a fantastic bonus. A USB 3.1 Gen 1 cable and a carrying case for the Envoy Pro are also included. The Aura Pro X2 boasts impressive speeds, with OWC claiming up to 1,424 megabytes S-read and 1,484 megabytes S-write speeds. That's a significant jump over the original SSD in the late 2013 Mac Pro. Of course, real-world performance can vary, but these numbers suggest a very responsive system. Installation is relatively straightforward, especially with the included tools and heatsink installation guide. OWC has clearly put thought into making this user-friendly. The heatsink is crucial because NVMe SSDs can get quite hot, and proper cooling is essential for sustained performance and longevity. The Envoy Pro enclosure is a standout feature. It's a sleek, bus-powered enclosure that transforms your old internal SSD into a portable powerhouse. This is perfect for backups, transferring large files, or even using it as a boot drive for another Mac. Compatibility is limited to the late 2013 Mac Pro 6.1, so make sure this is the machine you have before purchasing. It requires macOS 10.13 or later. OWC backs this upgrade with a 5-year limited warranty, which speaks to their confidence in the product's reliability. In conclusion, the OWC Aura Pro X2 is a well-thought-out upgrade solution for the late 2013 Mac Pro. It offers a significant speed boost, includes everything you need for installation, and provides the added value of the Envoy Pro enclosure. If you're looking to extend the life of your Mac Pro and improve its performance, this is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.